time, I'm going to ask you to fasten your seatbelts.
That's United 2274. We clear for the approach.
United 2274, you're 3 miles from Roddy, cross Roddy at or above 2000, cleared on runway 24 approach.
Roddy at or above 2, cleared on at 24, United 2274.
United 2274, contact tower, good day.
Good.
United 2274, 2 left, and back to the park in this frequency via Juliet Golf House.
That's park, United 2274. United 2274, we're going to make the easy left. Seems like something happened to our nose gear.
Yep, I'm seeing now there appears to be a smoking tire on the runway there. Delta 1037, hold short of Foxtrot.
Hold short of Foxtrot, Delta 1037.
And it actually appears to be your back left here there, United.
Roger, United 2274, you want to roll the truck status?
Yep, get them going right now.
American 2365, 4 miles approach traffic morning, descend and maintain 4,000.
Discretion.
274, we're going to try.
Yeah, it's 2163, go around, climb and maintain 3,000.
Going around up to 3,000, United 2163.
Airwings 124, pushing Delta 2.
Air 124, pushback is your discretion, and Tango's on the ATC, and it may be a little bit, we have some bottom debris on the runway here.
That's what we're hearing, thank you.
Alpha 1, grab.
Alpha 1 located grass north of Alpha 1, like Delta taxiway north of the runway.
Alpha 1, proceed as requested, and are you hearing what's up to date here?
Hey, affirmative.
Roger. United 2163, just continue runway heading there, contact departure on 134.42.
3442 runway heading, sorry.
Contact second. 25. Names 25, Jeff.
Yes, sir. We are over here at box 5. We'd like to proceed out on the runway. That's the box.
Names 24, Roger, proceed on runway 24.
Runway 24. Yeah, we're Alpha 1, holding short of 24 Alpha 5. Like to proceed onto the runway.
Alpha 1, proceed on runway 24 from Alpha 5.
Proceeding on 24 from Alpha 5.
Delta 814, do you just want to hold your position there for now?
Nope.
Yeah, for now. Just keep them running, and I'll give you an update as soon as I get one.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sorry guys, it wasn't even that bad of a landing.
I'd head to it once there. The engine aircraft vehicle taken.
How's ground, Captain 90?
Captain 90, go ahead.
Yes, sir, we'd like, with company, like to proceed out to the aircraft.
Captain 90, proceed as requested.
And just confirming it's United, correct?
Yeah, Captain 90, proceed on runway 24. Any taxiway you need is your discretion.
Copy that, and I'm just confirming it is the United that is over there off of Foxtrot, correct?
Yes, it's the United aircraft currently on Fox 3. Captain 90, do you need me to taxi these aircraft out of the way of this United? Do we need a cordon area or anything?
If you can get the Delta out of there, that would be great. We're pulling up on scene now. We do have smoke showing out of that later.
All right, Delta 1037, make a left on Foxtrot and a left on Golf 1 and hold short of Golf.
Golf 1, short of Golf, Delta 1037.
Guys, you do have smoke showing from your left main. Tire's completely blown. Are both main tires blown? Just looks like the one is blown, the other one seems low. Okay. We just want to make sure it's safe to keep people on the airplane for now. That's affirmative. You can keep on the aircraft at this time. We're going to go ahead and probably pull a line and put some water on that. Okay, thanks.